When technologies are developed in a cross-border fashion, when new technologies are developed, we really can't fit that phenomenon into the traditional notion of technology transfer. It's not the case that somebody who knows how to do something outside of China is teaching somebody inside China how to do something. Instead, what we see are outsiders who have particular kinds of capabilities, maybe the ability to do R&D upstream, maybe to come up with a new design. They are teaming up with partners in China who have particular knowledge about how to scale up production quickly and how to lower cost rapidly, and also to maintain quality, frankly. And together they have to work to improve the designs and do often very expensive and complicated commercial scale demonstration of these products, and then they work together to sell the products and deploy them, sometimes in China, but sometimes abroad. I think it's been a mixed story about the extent to which this has been unique to China and versus whether these things happen elsewhere as well. So for certain kinds of tasks, particularly product development and rapid product development, the Chinese ecosystem has invested tremendous resources in education. The numbers of product development engineers who are being churned out really are unparalleled. There's no other system that can match China on this front. So in that respect, I think the phenomenon is unique to China. That said, some of these co-development processes, albeit on a smaller scale, are happening in other economies. Economies like Brazil, for example, that are also becoming the first consumers for these state-of-the-art technologies, sometimes in renewables, sometimes in civilian nuclear power. So this isn't necessarily unique to China. There are also certain industries for which China has not necessarily been the first mover on these kinds of global partnerships. India, I think it's fair to argue, has been more proactive and advanced in pharmaceuticals, and China is playing catch-up to some extent. So it's a rather mixed story.